Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Field Wanderer. Today I am talking about the Microsoft AI tour which was held in Bengaluru. It was an incredible event showcasing the latest innovations in AI, artificial intelligence. If you are excited about AI and technology trends, stick around to explore the highlights. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technology updates. The event timing was between 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. in the evening, and it was quite organized, well organized. The morning time was for the registration. The people were chasing towards the registration counter as early as possible so as to get the priority sittings within the keynote session. The grand highlight was the session from Mr. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, and for that priority sitting was helpful. One of the most exciting parts of tour was exploring the AI powered tools like Azure AI, Copilot as well as cognitive services, from real-time translation tools to intelligent chatbots, agents. Every demo as well as the session was well organized. There were workshops as well as breakout sessions in which people can actually focus on the practical use cases as well as coding tips from the Microsoft experts. Beyond the tech demos, the event provided great networking opportunities as well. I met with NVIDIA experts who demonstrated their latest VLM models as well as the capabilities what they are offering along with the hyperscalers. Then came the session from Mr. Satya. It was a keynote session in which he talked about how the new generation of AI is reshaping the people's lives.
Always unbelievable to come back and see the energy and the excitement, especially at a time like this. We're perhaps entering this next phase where we're going to go from talking about AI and admiring some of the new capabilities, whether they're in infrastructure or in models, to doing things with AI that are bold and big. And that's, to me, what's really in the air when I come here and I see people excited about what's happening and what you're doing. That thing is invoking that ability to think about planning and executing that plan as a multi-step process. To train 10 million people in India around AI skills by 2030.
That's it guys, please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more such videos.